So, ladies and gentlemen, right about now, you don't know it's another day, and today is Thursday. So, you know, if you ask, it's Reaction Thursday when we bring to a reaction video. Me need to stop do this. Me find out, I do this a lot in everyone a reaction video them. So, today is Thursday, you know what I mean? Each and every Thursday, me do a reaction video. For now, today's video is called. This is me I do to my food video from with you know. I don't want to think me craving. Because I do beer food video some more and try react to some different type of video. The video I call Weird Jobs to Get You Rich. I think I say name Weird Jobs to Get You Rich. Or Weird Job what gonna make you rich. Something. But yeah, we just take a little break off for the food. Because it seems like we're not craving to, you know, because I love the video them, the food video them. Me craving, no craving. So we just go pre this and see what I go. I mean, even take up too much of the time. I even chat in the video. Yeah. I just go start the video and see what I go on. Alright, this is a record.
Hello everyone. Who hasn't dreamed of doing little work and still earning millions?
This sound like copyright production value up.
Surely you were told as a child that life doesn't work like that, but...
Hold on. Weird jobs. The weirdest job me know is... What one of the weirdest job me know? People who get paid for cuddle. You literally can go cuddle somebody and you get paid for cuddle. Like literally get paid for cuddle somebody. Go in at somebody's bed, hug them up and cuddle. You literally get paid for that. Whew. Man, you're not wasting the skills, man.
Possible.
Ladies, when you're wasting the skills.
Pay to see someone sleeping or to buy cans of air, hugs, and even dirty socks. Watch the video till the end because we will reveal to you the whole truth. Let's get it on. One look at this girl is enough to know that she is an internet star. This is a kawaii blogger from the UK, known worldwide under the nickname Belle Delphine. Her cute image captivates fans around the world so much that they are willing to buy literally anything signed with her name. And when we say anything, we're not kidding. A couple of years ago, Belle decided to offer for sale bottles of soapy water from the bathtub in which she bathed. The price was $30.
She sell a bottle of soap water where she bathe. She take a bath in a shower and she bathe and take some of the bath water where she bathe in it and she put in a little something, a soap water, you know, and she sell it for $30 and people out there buy it. How weird.
Peace. Needless to say, this unusual product sold out in a couple of days. Sometimes you want to get paid for simple things. For example, for eating your favorite food. As it turns out, this is possible. In South Korea, people have invented a brilliant new format for...
You get paid for your favorite food. Well, that's like a mukbang.
YouTube blogs. A person sits in front of a camera with a large amount of food and devours it in front of the audience. And these videos are very popular.
Oh, what is this brother you just eat like while? The man wrap up something in a one...
Large amount of food and devours it in front of the audience. And these videos are very popular. This girl is one of the first stars of mukbang videos. In these eating broadcasts, Park So-yoon can earn up to $9,000 a month. She receives...
So look like me I forgot have mukbang Fridays. Only hear the figure there?
From customers and advertisers that want their products to be enjoyed by the blogger on camera. But we have two questions. How does her stomach feel? And how come most mukbang bloggers are so slim? People say that procrastination is the disease of the 21st century. Well, if you suffer from it too, you can turn to this guy. He won't do any work for you, of course, but he will supervise your day. Xiao Zhu, a young entrepreneur from China, makes a living by calling and texting his clients to check if they have completed all the tasks for the day. The guy has built up a database of 20,000 customers over 6 years and spends about 15 hours a day on his work. So making money from other people's laziness is not as easy as it seems. Some people like to shop alone, while others need company. But if you have no one to invite, there is a solution for you in China. In this place, at the entrance of some shopping malls, you can easily rent a boyfriend. It costs very little.
What?
Only €1, but your rented boyfriend will take selfies with you, give you advice, and help you put your shopping in a cab. You can also rent a girl, as weird as that sounds, and both services are in high demand. Meet.
I wonder if should I left him all with me. Or you have to pay extra.
Entrepreneur Mike Merrill. More than 10 years ago, he had a crazy idea to become a company and sell his shares on the stock exchange. Within a few years, the company had more than 1,000 shareholders. After all, many wanted to feel like God. Now everyone who owns shares can influence every decision in Mike's life. It's not just about work, but also about romantic relationships. And it turns out that it's not as scary as it seems. On the contrary, it's easier to live your life when you're not in charge. So, Mike not only made money, but also put his life in order. Jenna Phillips from Texas used to work as an optician. For a long time, she posted cute pictures on a website where users can subscribe to have access to the content. Unfortunately, her pictures weren't very successful, so Jenna quit her job and came up with a new idea. Jenna decided to start making videos in which she acts like a dog. Think she was made fun of? No, not at all. Funnily enough, she became a real star on that online platform. And today she earns hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with her
$100,000 a month for you act like a dog? And me I call all of my friends them me dogs?
usual videos. It is often said that people who can make money out of nothing sell air. This guy didn't want to try too hard and actually decided to sell empty air cans. Yang Ji developed an ingenious marketing idea, offering cans of perfectly pure mountain air to people in China who live in particularly polluted cities.
You notice this? I must say Chinese people are do them something, yeah? Chinese people know for make money, you know? I swear Chinese people are go. If everybody if it dead today, one Chinese are gonna survive and a Jamaican. It probably mix. Office survive. Chinese people do everything. Fake rice, fake cabbage, everything.
Success was immediate. In the first year, the Chinese entrepreneur sold nearly 500,000 cylinders, earning $600,000. He also entered the foreign market, achieving success in Japan, South Korea, the USA, and Spain. How about this story? A girl named Roxy Sykes sells her own unwashed socks and earns almost $140,000 a year.
When me I do wrong, God? When me I do wrong? When me I do wrong? 140 a year? I sell dirty socks?
That means in 2 years, she could save up for a house. Yes, there's definitely something we're doing wrong with our lives. Remember that game that literally blew up the internet a decade ago? It was created by Christopher Torres, a guy from Texas. His creation instantly became popular. People started making cosplays, video games, and merch inspired by his simple but viral animation. Well, this year, Torres finally decided to sell the GIF in an online auction. He received his payment in bitcoins, whose value fluctuates constantly. But in total, the final amount of the deal could amount to $500,000 US.
What? What?
These days, if you go on Instagram, 1 out of every 2 posts is advertising. One marketer realized this and suggested a new approach to promoting Instagram accounts. He decided to tattoo the names of 9 accounts on his neck. The price for each spot was at least $1,400. And if you think no one was interested in this offer,
$1,400 to get somebody named tattoo upon you for life. Next. People we ain't even know. Next.
You're wrong. The guy sold his entire neck in one day. Remember when we talked about how great it would be to get paid to sleep? Well, that's possible too. One streamer made about $16,000 in one night. The guy simply set up his
Me sleep every night. Every night me sleep. And if me can make $16,000 just to show people say me sleep a night time.
went to bed and started to sleep. But this night session had something special. Using text-to-speech donations, viewers could bother the streamer with audio messages, as is often the case on Twitch. Many took advantage of this feature in a very creative way. For example, by torturing the blogger with barking or the sound of a fire alarm. As a result, the streamer was receiving donations literally every second. He may not have had a good night's sleep, but it's certainly a very effortless way to make money. It turns out that people throw away a lot of things that can still be used. For example, cosmetics, clothing, and household items. And Tiffany Butler from Dallas decided to build her business on it. For 5 days a week, this girl rummages through dumpsters for 3 hours and then sells the items on her website. She Googles the original price, gives a 25% discount, and waits for customers. You'd be surprised, but her products are in high demand. The girl already has 450,000 followers online and makes over $2,700 a month.
You know this show me? Say people weird. We're weird as people. We're weird. From
her business. You're not just looking at a rat, you're looking at a real Picasso. It's the pet of Steph, a girl from the UK who has managed to successfully combine her love for her pets with business. It all started in 2018, when one of the girl's pets passed away. To honor its memory, Steph made a small painting with the rat's footprints. Then she decided to do the same with her other pets. Unexpectedly, she realized she could create interesting abstract works of art, and for several years now, she has been selling commissioned canvases, tableware, and magnets with rats' drawings. Interesting fact, in 1975, the best-selling Christmas product in the U.S. was stones. That's right, we're talking about the idea of American entrepreneur Gary Dahl, which earned him a lot of money. Here's what he did. He bought ordinary stones for a cent each. He christened them pet rocks and came up with an ingenious sales scheme. A cardboard box with holes in it, a straw mat, and a booklet on how to care for your pet. And then he sent the product to the stores. The excitement on the eve of the holidays was incredible, and in the end, the guy managed to sell 1.5 million boxes in 2 months. Sometimes we all crave for a simple...
The man sell rock. Pet rock, literally a rock, and he make $1.8 million a sell stone as pet. You know, do nothing is a rock you get in a box, a rock, and you.
Thing, someone to hug you, and there is already a whole breed of professionals for such cases. They are known as professional huggers. Their job is to support their clients for an hour. The professionals can stroke their head or back, lie down next to the client and hold their hand, or simply hug them. What's more, there's even an association of professional cuddlers in the USA. A session costs, on average, $80, and if the client wants to be
$80
for a whole night, they will have to pay $500.
$500 a night for cuddle somebody?
We all love gossip and secrets, and American Frank Warren has managed to successfully monetize this feature of the human psyche. In 2005, he founded PostSecret, a website where any user can anonymously send their own secret on a beautiful postcard. By doing so, people accept that at some point their message may become public, also anonymously, of course. Thus, the selected secrets later appear on the website, in books, and in talks by Warren, who over time has acquired the status of a true researcher of human souls. Over the years, he has accumulated about $15 million with his project.
You look like I eat that. Phone, may I get